Hi. Please join me. I'll show you what we're doing. Come on. Up here around here, you see our lovely Portolet. I'll show you what we're doing here. This is our Galapagos sanitation porta potty. Big step up, watch it. A little wobbly too. Let's get this party started. Then you're ready to poop, you're ready to pee. Now, the only thing left to do, sip coffee until you have to poop. Hang around. Nothing yet. Well, get out of here. Ryan's going to the poop again. What is Jamaland?
Mm-hmm.
Fellowship.
Peace, music, magic, miracle, secret spice,
Sacred, home,
Tranquil.
heaven, pure happiness.
Awesome.
Amazing.
Beautiful. So you have an element of music, an element of beautiful Colorado mountain scenery, and you have an element of every random person we know who we're inviting on Facebook. So people's sweet environment, music. What will happen in the middle is Jamaland. So we're just gonna go and do a little climbing here. We're taking some time for the boys before we have to do a bunch of setup work for all the music going on tonight. We gotta get our time in, you know.
What is that, buddy? What is that? What is that?
Beautiful day.
I don't need no more. I don't need no more. I don't need no more.
Justin, what are you most looking forward to Jamaland about?
I'm looking forward to Alrex donuts, Dino Nuts. Alrex brought some Dino Nuts last year and they were really good. So I'm really hoping that he brings them again this year, and I think he's going to.
Ooh, most excellent, sir.
Hey, do you think Alex will bring his big Alrex Dino Nuts this year?
Gee golly, I sure hope so.
Me too. Those are so delicious.
You guys are hungry a third couple-hour-long drives.
I don't wanna talk about it no more. Been talking about it for the past 100 days. I could pick you up, 4:15, hit the road, won't turn around. What do you say?
You too. Jamaland. Roseman's like,
Let the leaves fall down.
All right, welcome to MTV Cribs. Let me show you my crib. So this thing is just a lot of trash. Welcome to my crib.
Come on in.
I'm a hoarder. This is the thing. We got some needles in here, and we're thinking about making this a blood donor booth for next year. We also got a police report. Bump that.
Fire from my friends and fire from my God. Fire from the love and fire from above. Fire from my friends and fire from my God. Fire from the love and fire from above. Fire from above.
Jamaland, 2018, time of my life.
describe Jamaland in one word, Graham.
Jamaland. Can I change mine? But also, can I pick a couple of like one words, like, and you can just kind of sort through which one you think is the best, like.
Don't break me, don't break me down. We can go further, only together. we are. We'll go further and further together now. We gather together, together is what we are. We'll go further and further together now. We gather together, together is what we are. We'll go further and further together now.
Welcome, Weston, to the interview chair that you just happened to sit in. But here you are, and you're on the show. And so what I want to ask you is, what is Jamaland? How would you describe it? Tell me now.
Woo-hoo. Well, it's a place of Renaissance horns and good friends, good times, new friends, no shirts, and love. Is that right?
That's, well...
That wasn't in the script that you gave me.
That is correct. Question number 3. You have 4 seconds to count to 10. 1, 2, 3,
10.
4. Wrong again.
Dang it!
I'm sorry, Weston. I
that?
need you to step up your game. Weston, question number 5. At what temperature does blood freeze?
Cold.
I'm gonna go to the judges on this.
Judges?
No, and no. I'm sorry, that is not the correct answer.
Gee dang.
This is worth double everything else, which means you could win the game on this one. Who has the best hair at Jamaland?
Ooh. I think I gotta go with Bro.
That is correct! Oh my god!
Fire from above.
Welcome to the best day of your life. Welcome, RJ, to the next round's interview game. First question, are you ready? Okay, let's go. You're playing for cash. Hot, wet, stinky cash.
Yeah, bring it.
Jamaland bucks. I will ask you a series of questions that you must answer before I ask you the next question. Are you ready? Apples or oranges?
Apples.
Helicopters or airplanes?
Helicopters.
Snowboard or ski?
Snowboard.
Austin, what is tilling?
Good job, excellent
Yes!
job. Next question.
Wait, so how many Jamaland bucks do I win?
I'm talking hot, stinky, off the press, cold, wet, dry, Jamaland bucks. Last question, worth everything. You have 4 seconds to count to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Wait.
Sorry, I'm sorry. You did not win this round. Welcome, Maggie. You'll be asked a series of questions.
Okay.
And this is because you happen to sit down in this chair right next to me. And I know you might think, well, JJ, you sat next to me. First question is, how many dogs are at Jamaland right now?
Not enough.
Not enough? Let's go to the judges. Yes, and yes. All right. Moving on to the next question. Approximately how many people are at Jamaland right now?
Not enough.
Not enough. Wow, let's go to the judges. Yes, and yes. Next question, Maggie. What is the exact definition of Jamaland in the Webster's Dictionary? You have 4 seconds to answer. 1, 2,
Great music,
3.
fun people.
Let's go to the judges. That's exactly it. Yes, and yes. She is on fire. Boop, 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 boop. Pew, pew, pew. Boop. Moving on to the next round. This is where the slam gets slimier and the bam gets louder. Are you ready?
Yes.
You have 4 seconds to count to 10. Ready, go. 1, 2, 3. Wow, she got it. Oh my. Oh.
We're moving the poop.
Why?
Because everyone pooped a lot. They went to the poop a lot. Because it's bubbling over, dog.
Wow, that's like about to touch you.
Your movements are predictable.
The stick. Everyone concentrate, please.
Get lost in the beat, yeah. Let it sway your body, let it stomp your feet. Let the music take you away, all the way to outer space, where there's no one around you and there's nothing that you have to do. Well, let the music flow into your ears, let it take away all your tears and your fears, all your tears and your fears. Take it in, swallow it down, but once you're lost, you don't wanna be found. Take it in, swallow it down, but once you're lost, you don't wanna be found. I've been looking at the sun, trying to gain its warmth.
what is even happening here? What are all you kids doing here out in the middle of nowhere? Raise a glass, please.